What's up, TJ Unbox? I'm about to shave my face, and this is going to be one of the weirdest videos ever. So I usually don't make videos on like smaller, cheaper products. I usually just make them on more expensive like technology things. I was about to use this and I set everything up and I'm like, this is actually kind of cool. And I want to record my experience in case you are a male, or I guess female, and you're actually going to be using this. So what this thing is basically instead of having your facial hair go into your sink or all over in the bathroom or wherever you're shaving, basically it connects to the mirror and you shave, and then all your beard hair and everything else is supposed to just land here instead of going into your precious sink. So, in theory, this should just collect everything and we shouldn't have a mess, but you know, you never know. Fingers crossed, eh? Okay, I'm just gonna set this up and get started and let you know what happens. It's not like some insane invention, but I do think it's kind of cool and it should help and prevent messes. And that's one thing that always sucked when I was like gonna shave my face, because I live with people and they always complain, so this might get rid of that. I'm using the Philips Norelco One Blade. This thing is insane. I've been using this. I probably should make a review video on this. I've used it for about 6 months. I replaced the blades already and this thing is just killer. Without further ado, let's go. Okay, so I just shaved a little bit of my face, so it's gonna be all plotchy and stuff, so don't judge me. But you might be able to see all the hair that's kind of over here. And if I bend this in a little bit and shake it into the middle, it should all add up. And then this way I can honestly just go outside and shake this out, or into a trash can and just shake it all out. So I'll probably just go outside since it seems a little messy, but I still do need to shave the rest of my face and see what happens. So yeah, so far, I mean, it also has a big spread, because I know when I'm shaving, sometimes I'll see like hair on the side of the counter because like it might go everywhere, but this is actually covering a big surface area, and for like less than 10 bucks, this is kind of insane. I feel like more guys should probably have this. Let's keep going. Okay, so it actually seems like time's going a little bit faster, because instead of having to worry about where I'm like shaving, if I'm going into the sink or on a piece of paper towel or a newspaper or a plastic bag, which I've all done in the past, it just goes all right here. It's pretty awesome. Also, I have a little bit of a beard, or a mustache. Actually, wait, I should probably keep it. Doesn't look that bad, right? All right, I'm gonna take this outside and bring you guys with, and we can shake it out, and then I'll decide if I wanna keep this mustache. Another thing is I can also like shake out the razor blade, because there seems to always get a little hair on it, so I can just shake it out over the tarp or the cloth and just throw it outside. So now I just need to make sure everything stays somewhat still. And there are little hooks right here, so I can just go like this and then fold it inwards. Okay, now it's all trapped in this thing. Oh, that's pretty. Dude, every time I get a look at my motorcycle, it just looks, oh. All right, now I'm outside currently, so let me just, I don't know, floof it around a little bit. Hope my neighbors don't think I'm crazy just shaking this thing out. So now let me do a quick check. Wow. Actually, it all came off. This material is kind of like silky, so I guess it's smooth and nothing's gonna stay onto it. But yeah, no, it looks like all the hair came off. And let's go back inside. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's awesome. It looks like there's no hair all over. That's great. So after I shave, even though I didn't use a razor blade, I just used an electric blade. I always like to do this like post-do. It's not really special, I guess. It just helps smooth your face and prevents like itching, which can happen after using an electric blade. This is from Dollar Shave Club. I'm not sponsored, and I'm not sponsored by this other thing or any of these other companies. It's just things I use, and it might be helpful for you if you're new. If you're new to this lifestyle. I don't know. I kind of like the little mustache. It's not too flashy. Let me know what you think in the comments. So now I feel great. I don't have to clean up a mess, and we're all good. That was really simple. Now that's going to encourage me to want to shave more often, so I don't have to deal with messes more often. Nice. I'll leave a link down below. I'll probably use this for a birthday gift or something gift for my brother, because he probably wants this as well. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Take it easy. Peace. Wow.